Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a new video for today. So yeah, here it goes guys. So yeah, I got these two Nintendo Switch Joycon charger. So this one right here is this one right here is also for the Nintendo Switch one and for the OLED, and also the other one is the new. Okay, we've got this new Joycon charger, docking charger for the Nintendo Switch 2, right? So yeah, first is we're gonna head over to this one right here, in which is you can put 4 Joy-Cons, right? So yeah, I have my Nintendo Switch 1, and also for the OLED, yes, and it's gonna be perfect here for the perfect right here is for perfect right here for Nintendo Switch Joy-Con charger, right? Switch 1 and OLED, and also yeah, I'm gonna have to show you. Okay, I'm gonna have to show you the I'm gonna have to show you the gonna be put down all the right. Okay, so all right, okay, I'm gonna have to put first is the OLED. Okay, so gonna have to put it, I'm gonna have to put it down right over here for the right. So there you go. So, and there's also another one right over here is gonna have to put it like down like that. So okay, and this is also for my Switch one, right? So there it goes. Yeah, perfect. And then you just have to charge it up like that one. Whoa, perfect, right? So yeah, gonna have to check that one also right over here. Yeah, so perfect, right? So gonna have to take a closer look, right? So yes, and then all of the Joy-Cons are fit perfectly for this Nintendo Switch one, right? So which is a really good, I'm gonna have if I want to charge it up, right? So perfect. So it is also a really nice Joy-Con charging grip, right? So it is charging Joy-Con charging stand. Okay, so yeah, and that's also a nice one. So gonna have to, and it's also there's also a logo of the Switch. So I think this is the official, right? So I think this is the official charging docking charger for the Joy-Con, right? So you're gonna have to take it off. You just have to have to like that one, right? So there it goes, and then have to put it on again just like that one, right? So yeah, so no need to press the no need to press the right over here, right? So you just have to take it off, right? So yeah, I'm gonna have to like that one. So gonna have to you can press this one right over here if you want to get the Joy-Con, right? So yeah, perfect. So nice. Okay, so next is also I have also my Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Con charger stand. So it is also has a 4 slot, right? Just like this one, a 4 slot, right? This is have a 4 slot. So if you have a extra Joy-Con, right, for Nintendo Switch 2, right, this one right over here is a really good one. So yeah, there's also a label, orange and a navy blue right over here. So yeah, perfect. So it is also, this is what this is called, magnetic also, right? So let's go. Okay, let's go, gonna have to try it out. Okay, let's go, gonna have to try it. Okay, so all right, so here we go. So this is the orange, right? So you're just gonna have to be put it on right over here is for the orange. Look at that, nice. Okay, we look at that. So, and it's also, we've got the navy blue right over here. Yeah, so you just have to do like that one. So yeah, so there's still more slot, right? There's still more slot over here. Okay, so perfect. Also this one right here is an LED, right? So indicator. So if the Joy-Con is gonna be full charge or charging, right? So right, and also this is also has a USB-C, right? So you're just gonna have to get some USB-C cord, right? So USB-C cable for you to put it on and charge it up, right? So yeah, not like the other one which is already been built in USB, right? So right? Built-in USB. So this is in also, yeah, and it's also right over here is also has an LED, right? So I'm not sure you do that one, right? Because yeah, I already made a first video for this one, right? So you're gonna have to check that out, all right? So because that's what I am testing it out, okay, right? So because yeah, all of it right here is also working, is also, yeah, and it's also been charged here up, right? So already, so I charged here up already. So one thing is also right, like one thing is also good, is also has an indicator right over here, right? There's also an indicator for you, there's an indicator for charging or charging and fully charged, right at the top of the, like that one, there's a logo on it, okay? And also this one right here, there's no logo right here, but there's L and R, which is the left and right. So have to show that, what is it called? I'm sorry. So gonna have to, yeah. So check that out. Okay, so I have a video. Yeah, I have a video. Okay, so yeah, this one is perfect, and also one is one. So the difference of the two is we've got right here is a bigger one, right? So yeah, they got a big one, right? And it's also the top is square rectangle. Okay, what is the sound? Okay, and it's also right over here is a circle. So I found this on a Habitat, right? So yeah, and also I found this on a thrift store also, right? So yeah, just a couple of bucks, that, yeah. So perfect. And it's also one thing I also about this one is because yeah, I think this already been used, right? So yeah, and also there's a bunch of style of this one, right? I saw in Amazon and eBay also, right? So I have a link of this one, so I want to on my first video of this, I have a link of this one, so you're gonna have to search that one in my channel, right? So yeah, but I still excuse me, I have to put a new link again, right? So right over here, right? So this for the Switch 2, and also this is also for the Switch 1 right over here, right? So yes, and it's also, yeah, I still don't have a thumb grip for this one right here, so I'm gonna have to put a thumb grip for that one, right? Okay, right. So I think, yeah, not so video for today. So yeah, I hope you like it, and also yeah, thank you so much for watching, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will notify of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned and see you again on my next video, everyone.